It's amazing to think that 27 years ago, the board at St. Joseph Hospital and the board at the center collaborated on establishing this lecture series. And I've been honored to have it named in my name. We have had wonderful topics, wonderful speakers, challenging issues. And today is going to be something very special. We're looking to the young for more reasons than one these days. And we're looking to the young to ask them about our involvement with them, preparing them to deal with ethical issues in medicine. Nobody's going to be looking forward more to what they say than I will, or that Terry and I will. I love it that I've had a piece to play in their professional development. And I hope that all their lives they will have mentors that will help them through all the rough spots in medicine. These are challenging times, and I just pray that they have the fortitude to accept the challenge. Thank you, Terry.